Packing for a trip can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. With the right strategies, you can pack smart, stay organized, and avoid last-minute headaches. In this video, we'll cover 10 essential packing tips that will ensure your next journey is as stress-free as possible. From choosing the right luggage to remembering those easy-to-forget essentials, we've got you covered. Stick around until the end for bonus tips that seasoned travelers swear by. Tip 1. Choose the right luggage. Start with the foundation, your suitcase or bag. Select luggage that suits the type of trip you're taking. For longer trips, a durable suitcase with wheels can be a lifesaver, while backpacks work best for short or adventurous getaways. Check airline regulations for size and weight limits to avoid surprise fees. If you're worried about security, consider investing in a TSA-approved lock. Tip 2. Make a packing list. A good packing list is your secret weapon against forgetting essentials. Create your list a week before your trip so you have time to add items as they come to mind. Divide your list into categories: clothing, toiletries, electronics, travel documents, and miscellaneous items. Apps like PackPoint or Google Keep can help you stay organized. Tip 3. Pack versatile clothing. When it comes to clothes, less is more. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Stick to a neutral color palette and add a pop of color with accessories. Think layers. Light sweaters, scarves, and jackets can help you adapt to different weather conditions. And always pack at least one outfit for unexpected situations, like a fancy dinner or a rainy day. Tip 4. Roll, don't fold. Save space and reduce wrinkles by rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This method works especially well for t-shirts, jeans, and other casual wear. For delicate items, consider packing them flat or using a garment bag. Packing cubes can also help keep your suitcase organized and maximize space. Tip 5. Use travel-sized toiletries. Bulky toiletries take up precious space and weight. Invest in travel-sized containers or buy pre-packaged travel kits for your shampoo, conditioner, and other essentials. Don't forget TSA liquid restrictions if you're flying. Keep liquids in containers of 3.4 ounces or less and store them in a clear, resealable bag for easy access during security checks. Tip 6. Pack a personal essentials bag. Keep your most important items within reach by packing a personal essentials bag. This should include your passport, Idaho, tickets, credit cards, phone, charger, headphones, and any medications you need. A small crossbody bag or backpack works perfectly for this purpose, especially during flights or long transit. Tip 7. Prepare a mini first aid kit. Health emergencies can happen anywhere, so be prepared. Pack a small first aid kit with pain relievers, band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and any specific medications you might need. For international trips, include medication for common issues like upset stomachs or motion sickness. Tip 8. Protect your electronics. Electronics are a travel essential, but they can be fragile. Use padded cases or wraps to protect your devices like laptops, cameras, or tablets. Don't forget to pack all necessary chargers, power banks, and adapters if you're traveling to a country with different plug types. Label your cords to keep them organized and easy to find. Tip 9. Keep important documents safe. Your travel documents are your lifeline. Make digital copies of your passport, Idaho, tickets, and itinerary, and store them securely in your phone or email. Keep hard copies in a separate part of your luggage in case your devices run out of battery or get lost. Tip 10. Pack snacks and a reusable water bottle. Long journeys can leave you hungry and dehydrated. Pack non-perishable snacks like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit to keep your energy up. A reusable water bottle is eco-friendly and ensures you stay hydrated throughout your trip. Many airports now have water refill stations, making this a convenient option. Bonus tips for stress-free packing. Label your luggage. Use tags with your name and contact info, and add a colorful ribbon or sticker to spot your bag easily at baggage claim. Use a packing checklist for your return. Avoid leaving items behind by using your packing list for the return trip. Check the weather forecast. Knowing your destination's weather will help you pack appropriately and avoid unnecessary items. Pack a laundry bag or compressible sack. Keep dirty clothes separate with a laundry bag or reusable sack. Utilize zipper bags for organization. Use resealable bags to store small items, toiletries, or liquids securely. Pack dual-purpose items. Save space by bringing multifunctional items like scarves that can double as blankets or accessories. Wear bulky items. Wear heavy shoes or jackets during transit to free up suitcase space. Create a digital backup. Store copies of travel documents on cloud apps like Google Drive for easy access. Pack an emergency outfit in your carry-on. Prepare for lost luggage by keeping a change of clothes and toiletries in your carry-on. Test your packing. Beforehand, a trial run ensures everything fits and prevents overpacking. Add a portable steamer or wrinkle release spray. Keep your clothes fresh and wrinkle-free while traveling. Pack extra zip ties or rubber bands. These small tools are great for securing items or fixing luggage issues. Use a backpack as your personal item. Maximize your carry-on allowance by opting for a spacious backpack. Carry a compact sewing kit. Fix minor clothing or luggage mishaps with a mini sewing kit. Bring reusable travel bottles. Customize the amounts of liquids you need with refillable bottles. Secure valuables with hidden compartments. Store cash and important documents discreetly in hidden bag compartments. Use dryer sheets for freshness. Place a few dryer sheets in your suitcase to keep clothes smelling great. Leave space for souvenirs. Pack light to make room for souvenirs, or bring a collapsible bag for extra storage. Now you're ready to pack like a pro and travel with ease. These 10 essential packing tips are designed to save you time, reduce stress, and make your travel experience smoother from start to finish. Remember, packing smart isn't just about fitting everything into your bag. It's about preparing for the journey ahead while leaving room for spontaneity and new discoveries. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you could give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, or anyone planning the next adventure. Don't forget to drop a comment below with your own packing tips or share a memorable packing fail. We've all had those moments, and your story could help someone else avoid the same mistake. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss out on the tips and tricks that can transform your trips into unforgettable experiences. Also, check out the description box below for links to some of our favorite travel gear, packing tools, and other resources that can make your travel preparation even easier. Whether it's packing cubes, travel size essentials, or multifunctional gear, we've got you covered. Thank you for being part of our travel-loving community. We're so excited to continue this journey with you, sharing everything you need to know to make every trip your best trip. Remember, the world is waiting for you. One perfectly packed bag at a time. Safe travels, happy packing, and we'll see you in the next video.